Kia ora te whānau. Can you hear the trumpets? It's Toi Time! Get ready to tākaro. Ho ake tātou. This way.
Toy Time!
Kia ora, and welcome to the Toy Time whare. I'm Riki. Whoa.
I'm Jojo. Ko aroha aho. And whoa! And that's Maya. It's her first time hula hooping.
And now, at the Toy Time whare, it's Game Day! We're gonna do nothing but play, and more play.
Kia ora. Phew! Hula hooping is fun, but it's hard work. It's not my favourite game in the world. But do you know what is? Oh, I could play it all day long.
What?
Oh, I know! Tag! Yes!
Oh, we should play the longest game of tag ever played in the whole world.
Great idea.
Tag, you're in!
Oh, waka tato.
Whoa!
I'm coming.
Imagining we're on a mission, trying to find where the rainbow ends. I wanna play, jump around and play. I wanna play, spin around and play all day, play all day. Let's spend our whole day playing lots of outside games, down the slide and monkey bars. I never wanna leave this crowd. I wanna play, jump around and play. I wanna play, spin around and play all day, play all day. Let's spend our whole day playing lots of board games, taking turns to roll the dice, playing fair feels so nice. I wanna play, jump around and play. I wanna play, spin around and play all day, play all day. I wanna play, jump around and play. I wanna play, spin around and play all day, play all day, play all day.
Dun, 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 dun.
I think we outran Riki. Hey, what are you doing, Maya?
Oh, I needed a rest after all that running around, so I made a gingerbread man out of all these old cardboard boxes. See?
It looks delicious. Can I play?
Would you like to colour in his crown?
Yes.
Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help?
please could you tell us the story of the gingerbread man?
Of course, Maya. Once upon a toy time, there was a baker called Maya. Maya loved to bake gingerbread for the Toy Time whānau.
This gingerbread man smells delicious. Huh? The gingerbread man is gone.
Tag, you're it.
Hey, no running in the kitchen, Ricky.
Oh, it's a play kitchen, Maya.
Oh. Oh, you're one smart cookie, but you're supposed to be our afternoon tea. Come back.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Oh, we'll see about that. Oh, help me, Gardener Jojo.
Oh, run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
We'll see about that. Oh.
Outside in the garden.
Oh. Help us, Farmer Buzz.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
We'll see about that! Huh?
But even though they ran as fast and as far as their legs could carry them, the gingerbread man was faster. The gingerbread man was so fast, he won gold at the Olympic Games.
Kia ora, Mr. Gingerbread Man. How does it feel to be the fastest person in the world?
Oh, it feels so good. Except I'm not a person, but I'm a gingerbread man. So everyone wants to eat me.
Well, you do smell delicious. Maybe just a finger or two.
Oh, no! Is that you, Aroha? It is you! Ah!
Come back here, come. Fiddlesticks.
After running for days and days, it began to rain. And rain isn't good for gingerbread. So the brave gingerbread man asked for help.
Help! Somebody!
Oh, quick, Mr. Gingerbread Man, before you go all squishy and soggy!
Would you like to come inside?
Oh, only if you promise not to eat me.
Oh, you don't need to worry about that. We're gluten intolerant.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome to our whānau.
The gingerbread man never had to worry about being eaten again. And they all lived happily ever after. Kumutsu.
The end!
That was fun. Oh, Ricky, one more thing.
Aye?
Tag, you're it.
Oh! Yes! Coming, Maya!
Kia ora, I'm Auntie Anika and I'm a fast runner. I'm even faster than Florence Griffith Joyner. She has the world record for the fastest woman to run 100 metres. Until today, that is, because I'm gonna beat her time. Yeah! Woo! Whether you win or lose, it's important to be a good sport, okay? So, like, if I don't beat the world record, I won't go like this. I am angry. Oh, I didn't win. If I don't beat the world record today, I'll go like this. Thank you. I did my best. I'll keep practicing and I'll try again. Thank you very much. So, and if I do beat the world record, which I'm pretty sure I will, I'm going to be gracious about it. Woohoo! I won! Woohoo! Yeah, yeah, yeah! I'm a winner. I'm a winner. I want to thank everyone for their support. I wouldn't be here without you. Right. Here goes.
Are you ready? Watch carefully. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with an R. Put it in the oven for Ricky and me. Your turn.
Okay. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with an A. Put it in the oven for Aroha and me.
Okay, together.
Aye. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with a TT.
Put it in the oven for the whānau, please. Nice job.
Dad.
That's me.
Whoa, ha, ha, ah. Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I've set up heaps of different games to practice my tākaro time. Hoa ke tātou? All right, kia mū tuatahi. I have to zigzag through these cones all the way to the end and back as fast as I can. Karite, tai, rua, tori, timata. And go back, and go back, and go back. Oh, oh. How fast was that? How fast was that? 7. All right, now for Kemu Tuarua. Karawe. Now I'm gonna practice my passing. Go long, Buzz. Got it. Yep. Okay. Yeah, over here. And long again. Oh, over the back. I'm open. Good catch, Buzz. Good catch. Bye-bye. Baseball throw. Ooh, pretty flashy passing, all right. That's got me ready for Kemu Tuatoru. Passing through the hoop. Come on. All righty. The aim of this Kemu is to pass the rugby ball through the hula hoop. All righty, here we go. Te, tua, toru, pa. All righty, anō. This is easy. And again. And again. Woo! I'm too slick for this game. Hey, let's move on to the next Kemu. Kemu Tuawha. Come on! Karawe. Now, for my final Kemu, me and Rafi here are gonna play leapfrog. You should see Rafi. He can jump really high, eh? Watch this. Okay, it's your turn, Rafi. Go on. Kia kaha, kia moia, go. Whoa! That was a huge ass jump. I told you Rafi was good at jumping. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Okay, it's my turn again. Go! Knock, knock. I said knock, knock. Hey, you guys are supposed to say who's there and then I say a funny punchline and you all laugh. Hang on a second. Where is everyone? Hello? Anybody here for Takuro time?
Tag, you're it.
Hey! Ooh. Can't get me. Can't get me. Can't get me. Hey, I've got an idea. Seeing as it's Takuro time, how about we mix this tag game up a bit? Buzz style. Yes.
Yes. How do we do that, Buzz?
All the rules are the same as normal tag, except for one thing. Everyone has to do a funny run. Wing, 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 wing. Tag Maya, you're it.
Tag, Vicky, you're it.
Oh, I'm coming. Hey, you're it, Jojo.
No, you didn't get me.
I did. The tip of my finger touched your T-shirt.
It didn't.
Oh, did so?
Stop! This sounds like a job for the TMO. They check the action replay to see what really happened. Hey, Mohio.
Kia ora, Buzz. How can I help?
Could we please get an action replay so that we can work out whether Ricky touched Jojo?
From the action replay, it would appear that Ricky's fingertip touched the edge of Jojo's T-shirt, which means that Jojo is it.
Thanks, Mohio.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, all right. Well done, Vicky. You got me. But not for long.
Oh,
Wait, wait, wait. Ah, man. Tag.
If you're like me, you love hide and seek. Hide in the cupboard, hide under the sink. Hide up a tree, hide under the bed. I love hide and seek. Have you found me yet? La 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 If you're like me, you love hide and seek. Cover your eyes, but do not peek. Count to 10 and off you go. If you're like me, you love hide and seek. La 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 la.
My family's from Brazil. At home we speak Portuguese.
Today we were making funky queijo.
É muito boa.
It's really good.
We put in some flour, then cheese. We squish it up with our hands.
It feels a little squishy.
And we have to roll it into little balls.
This is big ball, and we're gonna make it into separate pieces so it can be small. And bola grande, eu vou pegar pedacinho and vai rolar pra pouquinho pra pôr ali. That was me speaking Portuguese. When we roll into a ball, we're gonna put it inside over here like that.
It takes a long time.
But I want to eat it. What about that? The tree?
Luckily, there's 3 of us to help.
Good job, brothers. We're all done.
We put them in the oven. They're gonna take about 15 minutes.
Bom trabalho, muito bom. It's a good work, guys.
While we wait, we play with our toys.
Where did it whip? I guess I have to go. No. Is it a donut? No. Is it a cup?
O pão de queijo tá pronto.
It's calling to me. It's calling to my brain. It's melting me. My hat.
They taste good. I love them.
Bye.
E moana nui a kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. E moana nui a kiwa, at the beach come see all the waves in motion. Grab your togs and come to nature's playground. At the beach where ocean meets the land. In the distance I see boats are sailing. Paratai, splash me if you can. Te moana nui a kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. Te moana nui a kiwa, at the beach come see all the waves in motion. Water fills the lakes and all the rivers. The fish of Tangaroa in the sea. Without water, plants would all just wither. Water is so good for us to drink. Te moana nui a kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. Te moana nui a kiwa, at the beach come see all the waves in motion. Te moana nui a kiwa, Aotearoa in the Pacific Ocean. Paratai, I'll splash you. Paratai, I'll splash you.
First one to the tree wins, Wolfie! Woohoo! I win! Oh, what's the matter, Wolfie?
You always win, Oma.
Oh, okay, would you like to race again and then I can let you win this time?
No,
I want to race again and win because I'm faster than you, not because you let me win.
Well, there's only one way to get faster, Wolfie.
How?
Practice!
Oh, yeah, good idea, Oma. Oh, race you to the next tree.
Oh, yeah! Hi! You tricked me!
Everybody thinks insects are small, but our cat has the biggest of all. I climb trees and I walk the land. I'm so big, I'm as big as your head. I might look scary, but I'm oh so sweet. I love to dance, gotta move to the beat. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle with me. Just like Vitu, the stars in the sky. I sleep all day, come out at night. I got big eyes and I don't have wings. I got 6 legs and I got 6 feet. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. 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 Do the weather wiggle with me.
It's good being an insect. You have to buy 6 shoes, though. Kind of a pain.
In breaking news, the Toi Time whānau are about to break the world record for the longest ever game of tag. They've been at it for hours. To break the record, they just need one more tag. Congratulations, everyone. What a terrific day.
Thanks, Mohio. But there's one more person we need to tag.
Oh, Ricky, you can't tag Mohio.
I'm not talking about Mohio. I'm talking about you. Tag
yours!
Flee! Flee!
Me and Grumples have to clean up. This is my leaf blower.
Good girl.
I have my own leaf blower. I love helping in the garden. Did it! Bye!
Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about a race. It was a thrilling day in the city of Wellington as Jean, Joy and their best friend, Marama, participated in a team triathlon. Many teams lined up at the swimming pool, ready to start the race. 3, 2, 1, go! Jean, Joy and Marama jumped into the pool and started swimming, holding onto a kickboard between them. Grandmother Pawpaw watched from the sidelines with little brother Jaden. She shouted in encouragement. The 3 girls worked very well in a team, just like in the story of the Chinese New Year race, where the goat, monkey and rooster all worked together. The The girls scrambled out of the pool and headed to the running track. Pawpaw and Jaden followed to watch. The girls ran side by side, but it was a very hot day and Marama got tired under the sun. She slowed down to catch her breath and Jean stopped to offer her a water bottle. Pawpaw nodded in approval. Jean is very kind, just like the dragon in the story, who stopped to help people. Marama was too tired to continue, so Jean sprinted to catch up with Joy, who was already on her bike. Jean jumped onto the back of Joy's bike, and Joy pedalled as fast as she could. The finish line was near, and they were in the lead. Pawpaw laughed. Just like in the story, when the rat rode on top of the ox to win the race, Jean rides with Joy, and they're going to win. In a last push, Jean and Joy crossed the finish line and won first place. Pawpaw cheered, and that's why the rat and ox are the first animals in the Chinese calendar. It looks like the girls have learnt a thing or two from them, she chuckled. Jaden laughed too, proud of his supportive, kind and clever sisters. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō.